In this video, I'm going to show you a unique feature in Target. It's called Hyperrelate, and it actually allows me to drill from a report into an analysis. On the other side, I can also go directly from an analysis into a report, still working with the same application, so they will be interactive. Let me show you how it works. We're going to open the sales report that we made in an earlier video, and in this case, we're going to add a few filters. You can see that it's showing me item group, and that's spread across 4 KPIs. We're going to apply a specific period that we want to have a look at, which is 2011. And furthermore, I'm going to put on a specific salesperson. So I'm going to look at Alvaro Bennett, and we can actually see how he's performing. If I go across this report, I can actually see that his revenue in Europe on jeans seems a bit high. Perhaps I need to understand the reason behind this. So I can just click this number. Target will then hyperrelate and guide me into an underlying analysis, specifying these are the countries that he sold to, and these are the products that he actually sold. Furthermore, we can see that he had a huge issue around 2011, third quarter, selling jeans, specifically in Europe. On top of this, I can start to do some comparisons. So we can now compare the 3 countries in Europe that he sold to and how they were spread. So I'm getting a clear overview starting from a report, hyperrelating into an underlying analysis, giving me more information. I can do the same if I was standing in an existing analysis, which could be my detailed income statement coming here from my favorites folder. So here I have the detailed income statement as a cross tab where I'm looking at dynamic periods. Instead of having this just as a cross tab, alternatively I could bring it into Excel, but in this case I want to send it out as a nice looking report. So I'm just right clicking and saying Hyperrelate, generate report, and I'm going to reuse an existing template that I already made. Using this feature, I'll then include a logo, a specific font size, headings, footers, and so on, so it has its own look and feel as I want all reports to look like. So it doesn't matter what kind of user that I will be or what kind of business user I will actually log in as, it will be the same logo, font size, and so on that will generate reports within. This is so easy for a user to create a new report. They're simply just taking the content and putting it into a template. This is the secret behind the Hyperrelate. I hope you got inspired. Take a look around the website for more information.